Hi, I want to show you how to take live photos on your Google Pixel 9a. For that, start by opening Camera and select Photo Mode. Now tap on this little settings icon in the down left corner and find option Top Shot. So here you can either turn it off, set to auto, or turn on immediately. If you want to take live photos, then you need to put it in the on status. Also, you can tap this question mark and find out that Top Shot captures a short video, so you can choose the frames that are worth saving. So here you can see how to use it. You can bring your photos to life. Now, set it to the status on to turn on, and then you should see this icon on the top. Now take a photo, move your camera a bit, and it will be saved as live photo, as you can see. Also, you can click on edit, and here select the best part of the photo, just like that. So to disable live photo, go back in settings and choose this option to turn it off. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.